Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how to add prompt on your Facebook dating profile. Maybe you want to add a prompt on your Facebook dating profile so that people will get to know you. So today, I am going to show you on how you can add a prompt on your Facebook dating profile. Check the video description. I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application and log in with your Facebook account. Once you are in this Facebook homepage, simply tap on this heart button to go to the Facebook dating. Once you tap on it, select this profile. And then in here you'll see add photo or prompt. And then in here, simply tap on the add photo or prompt. Here, tap on add prompt. And then in here you have to answer a questions. For example, my personality type is I'm looking for someone who, and many more. For this example, I'll just simply tap on this ask me about, and then in here I'll simply type and answer anything. After that, simply tap on the save button at the upper right corner of your screen. And then as you can see, your prompt is added to your Facebook dating profile. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can add a prompt on your Facebook dating profile, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can add prompt on your dating profile on Facebook, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.